Hi, I'm Kay from Regents Park Aesthetics. I'm going to show you our dermaplaning treatment that's really popular and something that our patients love. It's a really easy treatment with no downtime. It's not skin shaving, that is completely different. This actually takes the vellus hairs off and also the top layer of the skin called the stratum corneum. It helps your skincare penetrate the skin better because the top layer of skin has been removed. So before I start, I'm going to show you a close-up of the hairs. You can see here little fine hairs. People sometimes have blonde ones, which are really difficult to see, such as Amy here. Other times you could have quite dark ones and you'll obviously get a really significant result when we take those off. Give the skin a cleanse. Get rid of any dirt and makeup that might be on. And dermaplaning is done dry, so we don't need to have any cleansers or any face masks or anything like that on the skin. It's better to be able to see the hairs. Here is the blade that is used. So you can see it's a sterile blade, sharp tip, and we hold it at a 45-degree angle against the skin, and this takes the dead skin cells and also the hair off. So I'm going to start now. Now when I do it, is it uncomfortable at all?
No, you can't feel a thing.
Everything okay for you?
Yeah. Not painful at all.
The dermaplaning treatment is quite versatile. You can do it either on its own, or you can also do it with a skin peel if you're wanting to have extra exfoliation. You can also use it with LED light, and that's particularly good if you suffer from acne, or if you just want to have an additional collagen stimulation, because the different lights of the LED light target different things. The treatment can also be used on any skin type, even sensitive skins. And because of the kind of treatment it is, it's essentially an exfoliating facial. Pregnant women can also have the treatment. You can see it's quite a quick procedure. Treating the whole face will normally only take no more than 30 minutes or so. Obviously if you have an LED light or a skin peel afterwards, then this will take longer.
How long do the results last for, Kate?
So the results will last for about 6 to 8 weeks. So usually the skin cycle is about 6 weeks or so. So any treatment, skin peels or anything where you have exfoliation of the skin, for the skin cells to mature again is usually around about 6 weeks. And you'll just slowly see the hairs coming back. As I mentioned before, a lot of people worry that the hairs are going to come back thicker and darker, but that's not the case. The hairs on your face are called vellus hairs, and they're completely different to the hairs that you'd say, for example, on your legs, where if you did shave them, they would grow back darker. The hairs on your face are completely different. Now, this is really good as well for getting rid of all those stray hairs on the top of your lip. And because we're taking not just the hairs but the surface dead skin cells, you find that it lasts longer than if you had waxing or threading. It can feel a little bit funny when we're doing this, so look really gentle. Feel okay?
Yep, pain-free.
Sometimes you might feel the odd little scratches when we're doing treatment, but it's nothing that's uncomfortable. It's just more of a feeling of pressure from where I'm positioning the blade. And then the final part is the nose. Not all clinics treat the nose, but as long as we're able to do so, it's nice just to finish off the treatment with just a little exfoliation of the nose. Gets rid of any blackheads that might be there. And here we go, just to show you the after results of Amy's treatment. Nice skin, a little bit of redness, but otherwise fine. And this is the bit that all our patients love to see, all the dead skin cells and hair that's been taken off of the treatment.